Let me ask you a simple question. When a recruiter opens your resume, what should they notice first? Your skills and experience, or your photograph and personal details? If your answer is skills and experience, this video is for you. Many of us create resumes by simply copying old templates from friends, relatives, or from the internet. As a result, resumes become very long and filled with unnecessary information. Just because something appears in a template does not mean it belongs in your resume. In most jobs, recruiters are interested in your qualifications, not your appearance. Adding a photo can sometimes create unconscious bias. That is why many companies prefer resumes without photographs. There are a few exceptions, such as media, modeling, beautician roles, or some Middle East job applications. There you can use your photograph. Otherwise, no. In general, resume is not a legal document. You don't need to add declaration statement, signature, dates, full address, and marital status. The purpose of your resume is simple: to show that you are a good fit for the job and deserve an interview. And please use a professional email address. An email like your first name and last name @gmail.com creates a better impression than something like coolboy123 @gmail.com. You can see the difference, right? Yeah. Before adding any information to your resume, ask yourself, will this help the recruiter decide whether I am suitable for this job? If the answer is no, just leave that information from your resume. And here is the bonus tip for you. There is a website called jobscan.com. So use your resume. Use JobScan website to compare your resume with the job description and improve your applicant tracking system score. So finally, a good resume is not about include everything. It is about including the right things first. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions on resume writing or need career advice, just drop your question in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer it in the upcoming video. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in the next video.